How to use coupon on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use coupons on Pandabuy. Now, this is a very simple process. Just follow through the instructions and the procedures that I'll be showing you today. And the first thing to do is to log into your Pandabuy account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page, of course, as you can see. And then once you're logged in and you're on this home page, all you need to do is navigate through to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located by the right side of the screen over here. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear and then you see a list of options. Just go ahead and select wallets. Yes, wallet is under password above logout. Just click on wallet. And then once you do that, on this page, that is the wallet page, you'll see a list of things such as balance, coupon, and all that. So for the purpose of this tutorial, you select coupon. Then once you select coupon, you direct it to the coupons page. Now, if you look at this coupons page, you will see a box. Please enter redeem code. That is your coupon code. Enter it and then you click on convert. And then if you move further, you see available coupons, coupons used, coupon expired. I just go down. Currently, I do not have any coupon. That is why this place is empty. But for you, you might have a coupon. If you have a coupon, you would see it by this side of the screen, that is towards the left side of the screen. Just copy it, and then once you copy it, scroll up again and enter it into this box with enter redeem code. Enter it in, and then once you enter it in, just go ahead and click on convert. Once you click on convert, it will be converted, and then you can now use the coupon in getting products or getting things on the PandaPay uh, the Pandabuy application or the Pandabuy website. So this is how to use coupons on Pandabuy. So go ahead and use those coupons today before they expire. Yeah. Thanks for watching.